Hello, this is Lucas. I work in the electronic banking department at Merchants Bank. We handle online banking, mobile banking, and other e-channel services. Because of that, we do learn a lot about fraud and scams that happen throughout the region. The first scam we'd like to talk about today is kind of referred to as the computer cleaning scam. What will happen is you're going to get a pop-up on your computer that's saying you have a virus or it's infected, or even we've seen where they're asking for personal information to run a credit check. These are not from Merchants Bank. If you see it on our website, it's not from us, so keep that in mind. But what happens is you will, if it's an infection, you end up calling the number listed or clicking the link, and the fraudster ends up dialing remotely into your device and takes control of your computer. What they often do then is they'll have you log into your online banking, and they will move some money from like a checking to a savings or vice versa and make it look like you got a deposit from this fictitious company. And then they'll say, oh, oops, we accidentally gave you some money. You're going to need to send us some of that back. So we gave you $2,000. It's only going to cost $200 to clean your machine. So could you send us $1,800, please? And of course, they didn't give you any money. They didn't fix your computer, and there's no reason to give them any money back. In situations such as these, if you ever think your computer has been compromised or does have a virus, we strongly encourage you to visit your local electronics store, or maybe if you have a family or a friend that knows how to clean your device, definitely have it checked out. Give us a call here at the electronic banking department to further assist with your username and password, because of course we want to get that updated. And first and foremost, never give them personal information. Don't give them credit card numbers, debit card numbers, account numbers, routing numbers. They're not legitimate organizations. They are just trying to take your money. So please, if you get some kind of pop-up, give us a call. We'll help you out. And finally, we have a question for you. How are we doing? We'd love to receive some feedback. Please leave us a comment, reach out to us. If we're not covering things that you would like to learn more about, please give us suggestions. The best way for us to help you is to know what you need help with, because that's how we can help you with your finances at Merchants Bank.